So this AirTag right here, I have it for over 3 years now, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to replace the battery in your AirTag, and also which battery you should get for your AirTag, and also where you can get that AirTag battery. So lately this battery right here in my AirTag has been running really low, and because of it running low, whenever I go to play that Find My sound, you hear the sound really low also, and the precision Find My doesn't really work as well because the battery is low. So I think it's best to replace your AirTag battery as soon as it says low battery, or even before, because you don't want to lose your AirTag or lose the item that your AirTag is attached to and the battery is low and you can't find it, because that kind of defeats the purpose of having an AirTag. So I also noticed that whenever my battery was low on the AirTag, it would say that my AirTag is left behind when my AirTag is actually with me. So if you want like a more accurate update of where your AirTag is, then maybe you just need to replace your battery also. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the battery, but before we replace the battery, we have to head to Best Buy to get some batteries for this guy right here. So just enjoy this mini vlog of me trying to find batteries for the AirTag. So I'll see you guys when I'm back from Best Buy. So this is me walking to Best Buy hoping that I get some batteries for my AirTags, which is running out of battery currently. So I walked into Best Buy, doors open for me because yeah, I'm that guy, and I'm walking. So I was trying to remember, I've been here before, so I'm trying to remember where the batteries are at. So I'm walking, I'm thinking, I'm looking around, trying to think. I know it's somewhere in the middle, so that's why I walked through the middle. So I saw some nice RGB lights. I know it's somewhere close by. I'm like, where are these batteries? Like, where are these batteries? I'm trying to remember, where did I found these batteries the last time, because I know I came in here to get some batteries for my car key the last time. So I was like, no, it's not this far back. It can't be this far back. I know it didn't come close to the Nintendo and the PS5 section, so it has to be somewhere in the middle. So I turned around and I'm walking. I'm like, it must be somewhere close by here. And then I saw, oh, battery center. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get a battery for my ear tag right now. So I'm looking, I saw something, but it wasn't for the ear tag. So that one that you see I'll pick up was 2025, and I believe I need a 2032. And look, there's no 2032. Like, so I guess everyone ear tag is like out of battery and everyone just snag them over the holidays, or because it's the New Year's, everyone's trying to get some ear tags. So I had to look one more time to make sure that my eyes is not fooling me, because I could have sworn they had these in stock. But as I said, I guess everyone ear tag just ran out of battery because it's the New Year's. Everyone's trying to like be perfect and make sure all their batteries are replaced. So I decided to just walk out. So as I was walking around, sorry for the crazy footage right here, but as I was walking out, I was gonna ask someone if there's any in stock like around the back or anything, but then I remember that there's a Walmart around the corner. So I just decided to like just walk out and go to the Walmart around the corner.
A few moments later.
So just like that, we're at the Walmart. As you can see, the pretty Walmart sign right there. It was also kind of cold right here, so I was kind of walking and rushing to the building. All right, so we're almost inside. It's just this close to go inside. You know, you walk through the right door. You don't want to walk through the exit door. And then I remember, oh, I need a cart. You might be saying, why do you need a cart for just some batteries? But I wasn't just getting batteries, so yeah. So I grabbed the cart, and this is kind of a cool angle right here. Nice. So I got the cart and just start pushing, and yeah, as you can see, we're going past the fruits, and I'm gonna grab some fruits first. While my mom was looking for the fruits, I just decided to went searching for the batteries, because I don't really come to Walmart that much, so I'm not really sure where the batteries are, but I figure it would be at the back close to the electronics. So I went to the back. This is me just going through. I don't know why I walked through the closed section, but that's where I walked. So I was searching. Wonder where could the batteries be?
One eternity later.
So at this point, I had a strong feeling that I'm pretty close to the batteries, and then boom, there it is. All the batteries you could ever ask for. And you don't have to think twice because this does say 4 Apple AirTags on the package itself. So yeah, Walmart never fails you. When Best Buy fails you, just go to Walmart. I can't wait to get home and show you guys how to replace your AirTag battery, so stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, we have the fruits, we have the vegetables, and we have the batteries. So this is just me pushing the trolley back to the car outside. Oh, I almost hit that car because I was vlogging for you guys. So yeah, don't mind that. So yeah, this is just me pushing. As you can see, nice angle right there of the battery. All right, so as you can see, we have the batteries right here, guys, and now we can actually replace the battery in my AirTag right here. So finally, after 3 years, I believe it's the first time I'm replacing the batteries in my AirTag. Actually, this one, I think I use it on my car keys right here, so it's kind of a little bit beat up. If you guys can see, hopefully it can kind of like focus. Let me try to get it to focus on it right there. So you can see it's really beat up and all that. So we're going to try to replace the battery. Hopefully it works perfectly after I replace the battery. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery right now. By the way, I went with Duracell because I believe Duracell is really good when it comes on to batteries. Always good to have Duracell batteries. Or I believe the next one is Energizer or something like that with a bunny. Those are the batteries that I do recommend if you're trying to get some batteries for your AirTag. I'll try to leave a link to this down below in the description if you want to pick it up. All right, guys, so here we go. Just quickly tear this packaging right here so we can take out one of the battery real quick. Why is it not coming out? Is it like glued in? Hold on, wait a bit. I would expect it to come out way easier than this. Hold on, wait a minute. This is like really in there. Now I have two and I don't want two at the moment. I mean, we must get one. Oh, it's like within the plastic. Oh, so it's like 2 layers of plastic. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Hold on, guys. Let me try to take this apart. Yeah, I think I might need a scissors or a knife or something. Let me grab my Swiss Army knife right here. Try to peel it off. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Why is it so hard to pull? Like they don't want us to use the batteries or something? Nah, this shouldn't be this hard to pull. Wow. What the hell? Why is this so hard to pull? Maybe I'm just weak. Maybe I just need some milk. Yeah, I think maybe I need some milk. Alright, here we go. Almost there. Almost there. I promise you guys, it won't be this hard to pull the AirTag itself. So this is probably the hardest part right here to take it out of the packaging. Oh my god, this is so hard. Alright, here we go. Alright, finally. Alright, so now all we need to do is just twist this. My hands is kind of slippery at the moment, so it's going to be kind of hard for me to twist it, but we're going to keep trying. Alright, let's try this now. Yeah, my hands are like super slippery right now, so it's kind of hard for me to twist it. Alright, so finally I was able to twist it and get it off. So that's the old battery right there. I'm gonna go ahead. This was a Panasonic battery in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and put in the Duracell battery. And right away you hear that chime. And all I need to do is just twist it back in place. So I think you have to twist it anti-clockwise to open it and then clockwise to close it. So again, my hands are really slippery right here. If you have slippery hands, you're gonna have a hard time turning this. But yeah, I think I have it in place now. So yeah, that's pretty much how you replace your AirTag battery. And if I go back in my settings right here, and it should update in a second, hopefully. Yep, it is updated right there. You can see the battery is full. And if I click on it and do find, you can see it is working. The Find My is working. If I play a sound, it's loud and clear versus what I was hearing when the battery was low. So it's really loud and clear now, and you can see it's right here. So the precision Find My is working really good. So that's how you replace your battery. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you replace your battery on your AirTag. I don't think AirTag actually tell you how much percentage your battery is at. It only tells you if your battery is low. And if you don't see that your battery is low, then maybe it is full percentage or it is at least more than, I guess, enough for it not to say low battery. But let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section on how to replace the battery in your AirTag. Did this work for you? And also let me know how much you pick up these batteries for, because these batteries kind of seems to be really expensive, because for 4 pack of these batteries right here, I got it for $11 at Walmart, I believe. And I believe I saw these for like $14 in Best Buy. So they're kind of expensive if you're trying to get a lot of them. And that's almost like half the price of an AirTag right there. So yeah, also guys, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos on the AirTag, and also like this video if this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. The hardest part about making this video was, one, finding the battery, and then two, opening the package that the battery came in, and then three was actually opening the ear tag to put in the new battery because my hands were so slippery. But let me know down below in the comment section, did you have a difficult time finding these batteries? Because maybe they're like out of stock everywhere or something. But alright, so the next morning I decided to just replace the ear tag that's always in my wallet. So this is me searching for that ear tag in my wallet, just trying to get it out. For some reason it was kind of hard to get out. For some reason, I'm not sure why, but I have a hard time getting it out. I don't know why, but yeah, finally I got it out. There it is. It was much easier for me to pull this morning because my hands weren't slippery or anything. So that's the old battery right there, and this is the new battery right there. I already took out the new battery out of the package. I actually used a scissors this time, so it was much easier to take out of the package, and it was also much easier to just put back in place, lock it in place, and right away the battery was replaced. And yeah, all I had to do was just put it back in my wallet, and now if I lose my wallet I can always just track it. So